Yeah, gentlemen, this is a Prostar Technical. As I said, the purpose of this channel is one youth, three skill. That's our mission. So I'm going to be introducing you to this burglary alarm system, Kiro burglary alarm system. It's very, very crucial. If you have a building or you have a property that you want to secure, you have a shop, it is very important for you to have this gadget. So as you can take a look of it, please come closer. It's just like your normal mobile phone gadget. So today I'm going to be explaining the operation and the configuration of this system for you. As I said, if you are not following us, please ensure you follow us. As I said, it's very cheap. It's not that expensive, especially if you're in Nigeria. It's not expensive. You can get it from us. You can contact us. This particular gadget, you can program up to 99 sensors uh, and other gadgets to this particular system. And secondly, you will also input six text numbers, and somebody that you want this gadget to send message, six text message that will receive text message in case if there's any intruder or any alert or sensor, this gadget will detect it. So first and foremost, I'm going to be showing you how to add a number. And secondly, I'm also going to be showing you, because I don't want to make this video bulk and long, I'm also going to show you how to also use the your smartphone to operate it anywhere in the world. You will use it to activate and to trigger false alarm, or it will also send you message even to disarm and to arm. As you can take a look, you have a SIM by the side here. There's a SIM. It's a SIM card by the side, and this gadget is also uh, Wi-Fi enabled, that can help you to operate it outside your domain. Now you can see, if you want to add it just like your normal phone, you can see this your phone. Let me just go around. You see the history, Wi-Fi setting, for clock setting, zone setting, this zone setting, but I'm going to be showing you for only today how to set your numbers into it. Okay, now just click on okay. You can see it will take you to alarm number, SMS number, help number, CID number. The funniest the good thing about this gadget is that the closest police station close to you, if it's close to you, you can just go there with the SIM that you are going to input on this gadget. You can register it with them. Please, if there is anytime social number call you or you receive an SMS, just know that it is my house, it is that particular it is my shop, it is that particular office that something is going on. So I'm going to be demonstrating. You also have a siren. You can equally take it outside. Just take a look at the siren. Okay, you can see. Then come closer. It's just it has a sensor. You can see this sensor. You can see. Just take a look. If for instance that you want to break it, you just see that it will show an alarm. You can see. Do you see it? If you close it, then for instance somebody is trying to open the door, you can see the light. You can see the light there. Then so that is it. Then so follow me, we have a sensor. You can see this sensor, and you can see the sensor. Immediately you put this sensor has a battery by the head. I'm just trying to show you the importance of this particular gadget. It has a sensor, so there's a battery on top, and it's rechargeable. You can remove it and detach it, and charge it with your mobile phone. You can see just like you can just use your mobile phone to charge it. So guys, I'm going to be showing you the importance of this particular system. As I said, if you are not following us, please ensure you follow us. We are going to be showing you step by step. I'm going to bring after this video, we are going to show you step by step how you program it with your phone. Now, okay, system disarming. Now it's already disarmed. Why this? I'm going to. Okay, now you see it's going to be trigger. System alarming. Okay. So okay, I'm going to disarm it. Okay, now I'm going to disarm it. For my phone, I'm going to show you all this step by step, but I just want you to know the importance of this gadget, how important it is, because security is everybody's challenge. I'm going to be using my phone to do it. And this is the order of my phone. You see, you are going to be receiving I'm going to be receiving the call and the SMS zone 2 with this my mobile line. This you can see this is the app to your smart. You can see. So now it's taking me to this zone, this system. You can see. So now it's already disarmed. Please, I will. Okay, now if I harm it, you are going to receive. So if you can see, it's already system harming. Now, so now I'm going to be showing you my phone. So hold on. I'm looking for my message. You have sent me message. Okay, you can see. It's calling me instantly. It's calling me. So you can see. Then so I'm going to off it. You can see it's showing me jump to alarm. So you can see. Then at the same time, I'm going to use my phone to activate it. You can use your phone to deactivate it anywhere and reset it. So now just take a look. Okay. System disarming. You can see I've disarmed it. So immediately you put this gadget around your surrounding, you can just you need it. It's something that you need. So in case you need this particular gadget, you want to get it, you can reach us on our page and also write us. And I'm also going to be showing you in this page on how to do the installation step by step. You can reach us on a 08160449736. So God bless you. So as you said, you can share this video and create awareness with those that are not be aware. Thank you. God bless you.